So hello, everyone. Thank you very much. Andy just joined. Hi, Andy. Thank you, everyone, for joining this workshop. This is a workshop on near sensor vision processing. I'd like to thank the organizers, especially Julian, Riku, Paul, and Edward, who helped this workshop by organizing it. And special thanks to program committee who helped us with reviewing the papers. So the objective of this workshop is to bring researchers from academia and industry together across multiple disciplines, including hardware design, compiler, software algorithm design, and holistic solution design. We would like to demonstrate the power of unconventional sensors in robotics. These sensors have applications in a variety of solutions and problems, such as estimation, recognition, tracking, including STAM visual odometry, as you will see them in some of the demos today. The solutions offer low latency, high frame rate, and low power consumption. And we would like to see that how we can use them in robotics even more. We have great talks organized, 10 talks from universities, academia, and industry. I hope you enjoy the talks. All of them will be recorded and will be available later offline on YouTube. We also have great demos. We have arranged 5 demos. That includes almost all of the demos are with SCAM5, a focal plane sensor processor, which has been designed and developed at Manchester University. So these are great demos. I'd like to thank the people who helped us to these demos to be organized and to present them. And finally, you can find all the links and everything on the website of the workshop. There's tinyurl.com, and simply you can type ONSVP-ICRA, or you can Google ONSVP workshop. In addition to those, I'd like to thank the sponsor of the workshop, Wiley, who basically sponsored the awards for the best presentation and best poster. During the break sessions, GatherTown is available. You can just simply go to the link of the GatherTown and see the posters, videos, and also demos. So we're going to have 4 break sessions, and in all of them, posters and the demos will be available. So I think that would be basically the basic introduction. And now we will start the first session, which we will have 3 invited talks. Julian Martel from Stanford will chair this session. Thank you, Julian.
Thanks a lot, Sayed, for the introduction.